Famille yo comment nous y? Nous dis à ma commune a passé chercher nous là, nous gagnons un ami qui passe ouais nous, c'est voisine moi. Il est Paddy. Il vient montrer nous comment nous capable faire une recette ice cream spéciale. Alors m'a quitté le faire vidéo en anglais et je dis ma commune a des caméras. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Patty, and I'm here to teach B how to make no churn ice cream. Takes about 10 minutes to make, stick it in the freezer for 3-4 hours, and you have soft serve ice cream of whatever flavor you want to put in it.
All right, I'll be back.
All right, the ingredients to make this ice cream is one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 2 teaspoons of great, wonderful Mexican pure vanilla. A tiny pinch of salt, and 2 cups heavy whipping cream.
Awesome.
That's your ingredients.
What? Only 4 ingredients.
4 ingredients.
Awesome.
First ingredient, pour your sweetened condensed milk into a mixing bowl.
Put itself on the charger.
All right, go ahead.
Still trying to get all this out. Okay.
So can we lick it? Can we lick the container?
If you want to cut your tongue, you can. Uh-oh, I need a teaspoon, measuring teaspoon. No, I'm just gonna.
We have another set of hands. This is Lady T.
Okay. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons.
There we go.
Yummy, yummy. And just. Ooh, that's way too much.
Just a dash, huh?
Just
A pinch.
pinch
There we go.
for good luck.
All right.
All right. So we mix this all up, just this together. Okay. We get it all nice and blended. And it's going to be very vanilla-y because, you know, I like to add a lot more vanilla than necessary
Okay.
since we're making vanilla ice cream.
Okay.
All right, mix the 3 ingredients in this bowl. Now we are going to whip the heavy cream in this ice cold bowl that's been in the freezer, along with the mixer thingies. What do you call those things?
The blades.
The blades. And we're going to mix this on medium-high for roughly 2 minutes. Until we get firm peaks. We have stiff peaks. That's what we want.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So now, first thing is unplug this so you don't, when you lick the,
When you lick it.
okay, now this is the delicate part.
Okay.
You take about a cup of the whipped cream. I like that's good. And you're going to fold it into the condensed milk. Not whip it, but fold it. And for those that don't know how to fold, it's a figure-8 design. And very gently. So you kind of go up and over and up and over. You don't want to take the air out of the whipped cream. You just want to fold it in there. Okay. Now, isn't that beautiful? All right. So now that this is folded, we can pour all of this
Oh,
into here.
okay. Now I have a question.
Yes,
Are you gonna fold it again?
yes.
So why didn't we just pour and fold?
Because you want to first incorporate a little bit of the whipped cream to thin that out a little bit so it doesn't make this
Awesome.
go flat.
I see. Thank you.
Sure. And this is the point in which if you want to put any other flavors in it besides vanilla, you could put, I like to make mint chocolate chip. So I buy the container, a little liquid container of mint
Syrup.
syrup, or the flavoring, and then add chocolate chips because I like, oh, and some green food coloring because I like my ice cream green when I make, when I have mint. Okay, this is folded very nicely. You really can't see streaks. You will because of the vanilla in there. And now we will take, because we forgot.
Loaf pan that was in the freezer.
And we pour this from a very cold bowl into a very cold loaf pan. And it's a heavy bowl, B.
Yes,
What were you
ma'am.
thinking?
I don't know.
Oy.
I think that's the only glass bowl that I have.
Well, that's what the directions say, but I guess those metal ones would have been good because they get cold.
Okay.
Okay, so you can taste the unfrozen.
Okay.
And then just even this out, make some nice little swirlies to it. Tap off the spatula, because this will leave a nice little design on the top,
Oh, okay.
however you want to design. And then we will put saran wrap and
Okay.
then foil on top.
Let me grab that.
And then tight as you can. And in about 2-3 hours, we'll have ice cream.
Awesome.
Soft serve ice cream.
And we put that in the freezer.
Yes. Voila!
Thank you, Patty.
You're welcome. All right, we're back. It's 3 hours later, and here we have our vanilla ice cream, no churn ice cream. And if you come closer, B, you can see how soft it is? It's not quite set up perfectly, but we're
Should
gonna
we
try
wait
it
along? Should we
anyway.
wait?
Put
Maybe-
this what Tony.
Should we wait or?
No, see.
Yeah, there we go. They're all drunk. That's what I'm saying now.
So the loft, it's very good.
Oh, there we go.
Excuse me.
That was right.
Here we
Okay.
go.
Try the first one, sweetie.
The closer the edge, the better.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Let me taste.
Oh yeah.
You want caramel?
Caramel,
You want
please.
caramel on yours?
Please.
Let me try.
See, right in the middle, it still needs to be set up.
Okay, who is this? Vanilla or caramel?
Oh, that is so good.
Whoever this is.
Oh, that is so good.
Okay, so
Are you kidding me?
he wanted vanilla, so I'm gonna put vanilla.
That is so good. So which one did I have? The caramel?
This one is caramel. This one.
Which
is
one did you
this
give me,
one has
Papi?
both.
No, yeah.
Oh,
And caramel on it.
that is good.
Ooh.
We're gonna stick it back in the freezer?
Yep. Because the middle part still needs to be frozen.
Okay.
Oh, thank you very much.
Papi, give me one more
What
scoop.
kind do you want?
Give me one more.
Wow, it is amazing.
Ah, yeah,
One more.
yeah. Wait, you can wait.
You can wait.
I like it.
You
The
gotta try the
vodka.
whipped cream.
I don't have a spoon.
Oh,
I want some
Yeah, give it to Papi, Patty.
caramel topping, please.
that's what you have. That's a caramel.
Oh,
With the vodka, it feels like rum raisin.
Yeah.
Yes. Isn't that nice?
Most of the Haitian loves rum raisin, so trust
Yeah.
me.
It is so good.
Oh, see?
This
For less than
That's
no churn ice cream that you would pay $7 or $8, maybe $9 at the grocery store.
It is so good though.
Did you
It's so
wanna try it with
simple.
some caramel?
Y'all did wonderful.
You want to try it with some caramel? You have vanilla in yours.
Why not?
Papi, one more.
Please.
I like it.
Let's just try a little bit.
Just a
Ooh.
Hey.
Come on,